How to download photos and videos from Pinterest. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Pinterest application in your mobile device and then log in to your account. After that, find the photo or video you want to download. Normally, people would take screenshot, but that also capture the buttons and other part of the screen. Instead, you can simply tap on the three dot, then simply tap on download image. If the post allows download, you will see this option, or sometimes download collage. You can simply tap onto it and Pinterest will save the image or video directly to your camera roll. Depending on the type of post, you may also get option to save it as a video, image, collage, or share it through other apps. Some pins work differently, so download option may change depending on the creator settings and the type of content posted. Once downloaded, you can find it in your photos or app gallery, just like any other video or photos. That's it. No more screenshot needed. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.